If brands were held accountable for the environmental impact of their products, it could fundamentally reshape industries and consumer behavior. Companies would likely be required to assess and disclose their environmental footprint at every stage of production, from sourcing raw materials to manufacturing, transportation, and disposal. This transparency could drive innovation, encouraging businesses to adopt sustainable practices, invest in cleaner technologies, and design products with circularity in mind, prioritizing recyclability, repairability, and reduced waste. Accountability might also come in the form of financial penalties or taxes for excessive emissions, resource depletion, or pollution, incentivizing brands to minimize their ecological harm. Alternatively, governments could implement extended producer responsibility, EPR policies, making companies financially and logistically responsible for managing their products' end-of-life impact. This could lead to more robust recycling systems, reduced packaging waste, and a shift toward biodegradable or reusable materials. For consumers, such accountability could foster greater awareness and demand for eco-friendly products, as environmental performance becomes a key factor in purchasing decisions. Brands that fail to adapt might face reputational damage and loss of market share, while those embracing sustainability could gain a competitive edge. However, enforcing such accountability would require global cooperation, standardized metrics for measuring environmental impact, and effective regulatory frameworks. Smaller businesses might struggle with compliance costs, necessitating support systems to ensure fairness and inclusivity. In the long term, holding brands accountable could pave the way for a more sustainable economy, balancing profitability with planetary health.